Yeah, Ranganath Garu, can you start the session?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. 14 members, I think, joined, right?
Yeah.
It's okay, or wait sometime.
No. Please start the session, sir.
Okay, thank you. Confirmation. 1 minute, I will share the screen. It's visible to my screen. Hello, anyone confirm me?
Yeah. It's visible. Please
Okay.
continue.
Thank you for responding. Hello, good evening, and this is Ranganath and Bangalore branch. Today I am discussing about finance to sales integration part, and shortly known as FI-SD integration. At the time of I am explaining that anyone is confirming not hear me. At the time of last presentation, I have to face the problem, and today I can start with the FI-SD integration parts. Before that, I have to introduce what is the meaning of FI-SD integration. 1 minute. SAP FI stands for Financial Accounting, and it is one of the important module in SAP ERP, and it is used to store the financial data in an organization. And SAP FI helps to analyze the financial conditions of a company in the market, and it can integrate with the other module in SAP like SD and PP and more material management and etc. It is normally known as a FI to SD integration, and financial to sales integration or order to cash, etc. And this is the other names for FI to SD integration. And SAP FI is commonly integrated with the other modules like and SD component. And SAP FI is integrated with the other modules means how the system has mapped with the different modules and how the effect those passed into the FI module. FI integration with the SD and MM.
క్లాస్ ఫోన్ చేశారు కదా ఇప్పుడు దాకా.
Hello. I will give an example, and the account is a posting in SAP in FI module, and FI is done with the reference to the billing document like a credit and a debit note, invoices, etc. And it's created with the SD, and hence the this link is between the SD and FI department. SAP is a FI integration with the other modules means how the system is a map with the different modules and how the effect goes passed into the FI module. FI integration with the SD and MM, and it is used for the T code OBYC. I will give an example. In this case, the standard sales order, you can create outbound goods delivery to the customer. Every such movement of goods to the delivery to that, every step is known as a sales part with the integration of finance. And here some few steps have to follow what I am showing that picture. These are the steps to followed one by one, and it's mainly 7 steps is there, 7 steps in there, and similar to FI to MM integration. And the first one is a customer inquiry, and after that quotation for customer inquiry, and after the sales order and post goods issue and delivery and its billing on the receipt of amount of from customer. And this is steps we have to follow based on company to company. Now I have to explaining step by step as follow. First one I have explaining about the customer inquiry. First, the customer has an inquiry about the product or product and the services. Once the customer has created an inquiry, and after that one reference number is generated and using SAP code V11, and this process does not make any effect on the GL account, and don't have any accounting entries. And it's because why? Because not accounting entry is not generated, means we have no GL account is not linked with accounting keys or any other transaction, and it is just as an inquiry with oral or written to the customer inquiry, and there is no effect on the GL account, so the accounting entry is not generated. And next step, and quotation for customer inquiry, and quotation is a price quota given to the customer, and quotation can be created with inquiry reference number or without a reference number. And the quotation for customer inquiry created in SAP by using a T code VA21, and here also there is no accounting entry is created. But because here the quotation will be, the price will be allocated only and not affected on any GL account entry, GL accounts. Next, sales order, and third one is a sales order, and it is one of the important step in FI-SD integration. And after that inquiry and quotation, the sales order is created, and the sales order can be created with or without a reference number. It does not make any effect on the GL account and does not have any accounting entry. It is just as a commitment to delivery goods to the customer. Sales order can be created by using a T code VA01. Here also given a customer to sales order how much order to take taken to the customer, like how much quantity, price. Just we have to given a commitment to the customer. So there is a no accounting entry will be happen. Here, whatever it may be, oral or any custom written agreement will be happen. Otherwise, is not any accounting, any other GL accounts is not affected. So the here is not accounting entry will be happened. Next, fourth one is a post goods issue. This is one of the important step in FI-SD integration. The post goods issue is the step where the goods are being picked by the warehouse and shipped to the customer given shipping address. And as per the sales order, we have an accounting entry happened. That is a cost of goods sold account data to inventory account, where the accounting entry will be happen exactly in by using a SAP code VL01NN. And here the GL accounts, whatever the accounts will have to link up, that will be based on that accounting entry will be created. And next, fifth one is a delivery, and it is one of the important step in FI to SD integration. And the delivery is also one of the feature in SD integration. And delivery is a follow the post goods issue, and delivery is the actual fulfillment of goods to the customer's shipping address. At the delivery stage, we have an accounting entry will be happen in FI to SD integration. That is revenue account data to customer account. In SAP, transaction code is a VL01NN. Whatever the previous step we had to discuss post goods delivery, That transaction code here also we can use it. That is a revenue account data to the customer accounts. And next, billing. Here we have to compare with the FI to MM integration, FI to SD integration. Will be FI to MM integration will be happen in goods receipt, and similarly here FI to SD integration at the time of billing stage will be FI to SD integration will be happen. And this is one of the important step in FI to SD integration. At the billing stage, we have sent the bill to the customer for the goods delivered, and we have an accounting entry at the time of posting to the billing, the customer account data to the sales revenue account. Here, where the revenue billing entry we have to post by using a SAP transaction code VF01. And next, final step on the receipt of amount of from customer. Here that the accounting entry will be happen at the bank clearing account data to customer account. Here the GL account determination for each condition type. Till now the system has calculated the condition type value, but the GL account need to be determined for the posting accounting entry. Now the business might require record the sales price and discount separately. Audible my voice? Hello?
Yeah, sir. Please continue.
Okay. This can be done by assigning condition type to accounting key and mapping accounting key to the GL account. All those condition types whose value needed to be posted to sales account are assigned to accounting key ERL, and all those condition has typed to the value and it needs to be posted discount account are assigned to the accounting key ERLs. Here, some of the accounting standard keys is there, and similar to where we have discussing previously FI to MM integration like BS6 and GBB and WRX, WRA. Here also some accounting standard keys is there, and the ERL and the ERS, ERF. These are the some similar accounting keys is there, and without these accounting keys using, it cannot possible to FI to SD integration. And next, where the exactly FI to SD integration I will discuss now. And all the billing transaction happening in the sales and distribution module will result in FI posting. You make the allocations access sequence. Access sequence is nothing but determining the GL accounts. Previously, we have discussing access sequence means particularly using what the GL account we have to assign that accounting that GL accounting where the assigning that part is called as access sequence. Once we have to think in a GST access sequence, MWS will be assigned. Here also some GL accounts we have assigned similarly to the GST accounts. In in post goods issue account will be assigned in OBYCT code, that is FI to MM integration. The entry is cost of goods sold account data to inventory account. And next, exactly at the billing stage, FI to SD integration will be happen a customer account data to sales revenue account. SAP provide the following 6 ways to determining the GL accounts in SD by using a T code, VOCA or VKOA. And first one is the application, and second one is a condition type, and third one is a chart of accounts, and fourth one is a sales organization, and the fifth one is a account assignment group for customer, and sixth one is a account assignment group for material, and seventh one is a account key. In condition type, there are KOFI account determination and KOFK account determination. Here, KOFI is used for posting to FI, where the invoice posting document does not have a CO object. Without a CO object, we have to post a KOFI. It is one of the numbering system. It is one of the number range system, and the KOFK is used posting to the CO, where the invoice posting document has a CO object like a sales order, sales orders, and service order, and project, etc. A controlling object. If SAP is select KOFK assignment, then it does both. Without anyone have or not assigning, effective SD integration is not possible. Some of the standard accounting keys, whatever I have previously telling, these are the accounting standard keys: ERL and ERS, ERB, ERF. In this FI-SD integration, we are using ERL and ERF. ERL means accounting key determine sales revenue. ERS accounting key determines sales deduction or sales discounts. In ERB account determination, uh, sales rebates, and ERF account determination, accounting key freight revenue. These are based on this way. We will assign the GL accounts in OCA. Then we will with SD consultant, and take my screenshot for the post goods issue and billing document. We will do required with the UAT activity and move to the CR to the production server. This about me. If there is any doubts is there, you can ask me now. Thank you for your patience.
Please share the document in the chat box.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, Ranganath, it's a very good presentation from your side. Anybody is there for next presentation?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Ma'am, I think small one. Whatever I am explaining, that one, is there any changes or any improvements as per your experience, miss? Hello.
Yeah, it's very nice presentation. You have to mention more points on that. When that screenshot or any FI-SD configuration steps. That's it. It's very nice.
You are whatever steps you have to follow, that steps we have to elaborate. Some more points we have to
Yeah.
add. Okay.
Yeah.
Myself, I will improve. Thank you. Thank you for your feedback.
Anyone wants to give a presentation today?